Baby. Hey, baby. Hi, Vinny. Hi, baby. What you doing? What you doing, Vinny? You just want to get that monkey, huh? Say hi. Just want to show you. This is Vinny. He's being good today. Just bouncing around. The sounds are annoying. Kind of get used to it though. He's too short. I had to put a video or the game down there. He's almost there. All right, Vinny. Tell Daddy you love him. Say we'll see you later. Say we'll see you later, Daddy. I'm gonna play now. Say bye. Good enough. Bye, baby.